Hi, kindergarten. This is our How Are You Feeling Today check-in. So you're going to click on the form and you are going to see words and a picture. And you can click one or two, how are you feeling today? And then hit submit right down there. So this says, how are you feeling today? Question mark, right? Because it's a question. And you're going to answer by telling me, clicking. Maybe you're a couple, maybe you're a whole bunch of feelings today. I hope no one's feeling sad though. Or maybe you're happy, maybe something's made you a little grumpy, hungry. I think we get a lot of hungries each day. Excited, and the Z's mean sleepy. And I hope everybody's happy, right? And then once you pick how you're feelings, then hit submit and it will get sent to me and I'll get to see how everyone was feeling today. All right.